Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the show.
Hey, we are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have 100 small talk sentences for you.
100! These are the sentences people use every single day.
Small talk is the easy, friendly talk we make with other people.
It is how you start a conversation and make a good first impression.
With these sentences, you can talk to anyone, anywhere.
Now, here is how our lesson works. It is really simple.
I will say a sentence, and then Jake will say the same sentence.
So you hear it 2 times, from 2 different voices.
After that, there is a short pause, and that pause is for you.
In the pause, you repeat the sentence out loud. Please do not be shy.
Speak slowly and try to copy our sounds. This is called shadowing.
We also have short conversations, so you hear the sentences in real life.
Are you ready? Let us take a deep breath and begin.
First, let us learn some easy ways to say hello. Use these when you meet someone at work, at school, or on the street. A warm hello makes people feel welcome right away. Hi, how's it going?
Hi, how's it going?
Hey, good to see you.
Hey, good to see you.
Good morning, how are you today?
Good morning, how are you today?
Hello, nice to see you again.
Hello, nice to see you again.
Hey there, what's up?
Hey there, what's up? I love that one. It sounds so relaxed and friendly.
Morning, did you sleep well?
Morning, did you sleep well?
Hi, long time no see.
Hi, long time no see.
Hey, it's been a while.
Hey, it's been a while.
Good afternoon, how's your day going?
Good afternoon, how's your day going?
Hello, I'm so glad you came.
Hello, I'm so glad you came.
Now let's hear a few of these in a real chat.
Hi, how's it going?
Hey, good to see you. Long time no see.
I know, how's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. It's so nice to see you again.
Same here. Come on in, I'm glad you came.
Can you hear how warm and easy that sounds?
Great start. Now let's ask people how they feel. Next, let's ask how someone is and learn how to answer. People ask this many times a day, so these sentences are gold. A good answer keeps the conversation going. How are you doing?
How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks.
I'm doing great, thanks.
Not bad, and you?
Not bad. And you?
I'm good, how about you?
I'm good. How about you?
Pretty good, thanks for asking.
Pretty good. Thanks for asking.
I'm a little tired today.
I'm a little tired today. We all feel that one on a Monday morning.
Same as always, you know?
Same as always, you know?
Can't complain.
Can't complain.
I'm doing okay, thanks.
I'm doing okay, thanks.
Everything's going really well.
Everything's going really well.
Let's put these together now.
How are you doing today?
Not bad, and you?
Pretty good, thanks for asking. A little tired, though.
Same here, but everything's going really well.
Good to hear. Can't complain.
See? A question and an answer. Easy.
Nice work. Let's talk about the weather now. The weather is the #1 small talk topic in English. When you don't know what to say, just talk about the weather. It is safe, friendly, and it works with everyone. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's so cold today.
It's so cold today. Brr, I need a big warm coat.
I think it's going to rain.
I think it's going to rain.
The sun feels really nice.
The sun feels really nice.
It's really hot outside.
It's really hot outside.
What a lovely morning.
What a lovely morning.
It's a bit windy today.
It's a bit windy today.
I hope it stays sunny.
I hope it stays sunny.
It's freezing out there.
It's freezing out there.
The weather is perfect for a walk.
The weather is perfect for a walk.
Here's a quick weather chat between 2 neighbors.
Good morning. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It really is, but I think it's going to rain later.
Oh no, I hope it stays sunny.
Me too. The weather is perfect for a walk right now.
Then let's go before it gets cold.
Good idea. Grab your umbrella just in case.
You're doing amazing. Let's chat about the weekend. Now, sentences about the weekend and your free time. These help you make plans and share your news with friends. Everyone loves talking about the weekend. Do you have any plans this weekend?
Do you have any plans this weekend?
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
I just stayed home and relaxed.
I just stayed home and relaxed.
We went out for dinner.
We went out for dinner.
I'm going to visit my family.
I'm going to visit my family.
Did you do anything fun?
Did you do anything fun?
I watched a movie last night.
I watched a movie last night.
I want to sleep in on Saturday.
I want to sleep in on Saturday. Sleeping in is the best plan of all.
Let's do something this weekend.
Let's do something this weekend.
My weekend was really busy.
My weekend was really busy.
Let's use these on a Friday afternoon.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
I'm going to visit my family. How about you?
I just want to sleep in and relax.
That sounds nice. Did you do anything fun last weekend?
We went out for dinner. It was great.
Let's do something together this weekend.
Let's catch up with an old friend now. These sentences are for meeting a friend after a long time. They show warmth and care, and people love to hear them. Use them with a big smile. It's been so long.
It's been so long.
How have you been?
How have you been?
What have you been up to?
What have you been up to?
You look great.
You look great.
We should catch up soon.
We should catch up soon.
I've missed you.
I've missed you. Aw, that is so sweet to say.
Tell me everything.
Tell me everything.
So much has happened.
So much has happened.
Nothing much has changed.
Nothing much has changed.
Let's grab a coffee sometime.
Let's grab a coffee sometime.
Now, two old friends meet again after a year.
It's been so long. How have you been?
I've been great. What have you been up to?
So much has happened. You look great, by the way.
Thank you. I've missed you. Let's grab a coffee sometime.
Yes, please. We should catch up soon.
How about tomorrow? Tell me everything.
Now let's do some small talk at work. At the office, small talk keeps things friendly. Use these with your coworkers by the coffee machine. A little chat makes the workday better. How's work going?
How's work going?
Are you busy today?
Are you busy today?
I have a lot to do.
I have a lot to do.
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
Did you have a good lunch?
Did you have a good lunch?
This week is flying by.
This week is flying by.
Almost the weekend.
Almost the weekend.
How was your meeting?
How was your meeting?
I need more coffee.
I need more coffee. Yes, please. More coffee for everyone.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Let's try this by the coffee machine.
Hey, how's work going?
Busy. I have a lot to do today. Are you busy too?
Very, but let's take a short break.
Good idea. I need more coffee.
Same here. This week is flying by.
It is. Almost the weekend. Have a great day.
Let's be friendly and give a nice compliment.
You are halfway there and you are doing fantastic.
Keep repeating out loud. Every sentence makes you stronger.
Let's keep going.
Kind words make people smile. These are warm and friendly. A small compliment can make someone's whole day. So let's spread a little kindness. I like your shirt.
I like your shirt.
That's a great idea.
That's a great idea.
You did a really good job.
You did a really good job. See? That feels really good to hear.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks so much for your help.
Thanks so much for your help.
You're so kind.
You're so kind.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
That sounds amazing.
That sounds amazing.
Good for you.
Good for you.
You made my day.
You made my day.
Let's share some kind words in a chat.
I like your shirt. It looks great on you.
Thank you. That's so kind of you to say.
You did a really good job on the project.
I really appreciate it. You made my day.
That's a great idea for the team, by the way.
Thanks. Good teamwork. Good for us.
Let's learn how to keep a conversation going. A good conversation needs good reactions. These little sentences show that you are really listening. They make people want to keep talking to you. That's interesting. Tell me more.
That's interesting. Tell me more.
Really? What happened next?
Really? What happened next?
I know exactly what you mean.
I know exactly what you mean.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That makes sense.
That makes sense.
So, what do you think?
So, what do you think?
Wow, that's amazing.
Wow, that's amazing. Your energy makes people love talking with you.
I feel the same way.
I feel the same way.
What about you?
What about you?
And then what?
And then what?
Let's keep a story going with good reactions.
I went to a big concert last night.
Oh, really? What happened next?
The singer came right into the crowd.
Wow, that's amazing. Tell me more.
It was the best night ever. What about you?
I stayed home, but I feel happy for you.
Now, quick and easy ways to agree. When you agree with someone, you connect with them. These sentences are short but very powerful. Say them with a smile and people feel understood. I totally agree.
I totally agree.
That's true.
That's true.
You're right.
You're right.
No way.
No way.
Of course.
Of course.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. I use that one all the time.
That's a good point.
That's a good point.
I think so too.
I think so too.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me.
Let's practice agreeing in a friendly chat.
I think we should practice English every day.
I totally agree. That's a good point.
Even 10 minutes a day really helps.
Absolutely. I think so too.
So, shadowing every morning?
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.
Last group. Let's end a conversation politely. Saying goodbye in a kind way leaves a great impression. Use these to finish any chat with a warm smile. A good goodbye is just as important as a good hello. It was great talking to you.
It was great talking to you.
I have to go now.
I have to go now.
Let's talk again soon.
Let's talk again soon.
Take care.
Take care.
See you later.
See you later.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Say hi to your family.
Say hi to your family.
Thanks for the chat.
Thanks for the chat. So simple, but so warm and friendly.
Talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Finally, let's end a chat the polite way.
Well, it was great talking to you.
You too. I have to go now.
No problem. Let's talk again soon.
Take care, and say hi to your family.
I will. Thanks for the chat.
Talk to you soon. Bye for now. Wow, you just practiced 100 small talk sentences.
That is a huge win. You should be really proud of yourself.
Now, here is your homework, and it is easy and fun.
Choose your 5 favorite sentences from today's lesson.
Then use them tomorrow with a real person.
Say them to a friend, a coworker, or even your mirror.
Small steps every day make a really big difference.
If this lesson helped you, please give us a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to the channel. We post new lessons every week.
Tell us in the comments which sentence is your favorite.
We read every comment and we truly love hearing from you.
Keep going. You are doing great. Practice a little every day.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.